So what happened is, Bailandi breakdown motak. I was responsible for those payments also.
Okay.
Like that's by Hambisa Lapana. And then a lot of things was damaged. But finally saying this and that, and I'm because actually it's not like I don't have money, but I got a lot of responsibilities. Yet I promised them ukuthi ngizolungisa imoto yakhe.
Imoto isikhathi singana ngihambile sisi.
Ina 1 year 6 months.
Shuthi kulonyaka wena uhlule nje ukulungisa imoto uma ucabanga leyo.
Ngidinga Nkosi yami.
Naye ufuna ukuyisebenzisa unayidingo naye afuna ukuzenza ngemoto. Ufuna ukusebenzisa imoto yakhe.
But I told you ngamtshela kwasekuqaleni ukuthi
manje wena yini onayidingo kuphela.
But imoto yakhe yabiza.
Oh, manje kungabi namoto mina ngoba
I'm not saying we mustn't have one, but what I'm saying is I'm still gonna make a plan.
When you're making the plan, lawo ma plan wakhanda nini?
But I'm gonna make a plan eventually. Yeah, and I'm way much better than you eventually. Okay, we're not here for that, but I'm much better than you.
Buka namanje kusakhuluma silungisa indaba yemoto la.
When the time is right. I don't have money at the moment.
Yabona sisi indaba zo moment. We need sidinga imoto kasisi.
I know that I'm wrong. I was wrong from the word.
Yes, you are wrong.
I told I'm gonna fix the car.
If njoba wrong.
When the time is right, when I got money.
1 year
I'm paying for the house, I'm paying for a car, I'm paying for my child, I'm paying for it. She never told me nothing about her responsibility. I don't know, she never said nothing. I don't. You'll get your money, I'll fix the car. When I get the money.
Siswami buka ngifuna ukutshela
When I get the money, when
indaba zo get
I don't have the money.
lalela sis siswami
uzenza into engcono sisi.
I am vele.
if ungcono phela imoto
Nginayidingo zidlule ezemoto yakhe ayimencane.
no siswami asimuthi sithi siyalibeka nawe uyalibeka into engizoyicela njengamanje siyithatha le moto yakho
Ekaba
le siyithatha le moto
how you talking halfway when my mother's grave I swear you're taking whose car you're taking whose car no man I work for the car I work for the car no you can never tell me that I'm taking the car no
yabona sisingisa isikhulumayo isona siyinkinga kakhulu ngoba manje uyambona
usupra when I got man I'm gonna give you the car I'm gonna fix the car and then give it back to her.
Angithi imoto siyadliwa. Angithi kusho ukuthi imoto siyadliwa. Yibi imoto sizoqhamuka manje.
So lesizathu silethe abantu bakamera.
Yes, I'm here for that.
No value phone. No I drive up when I don't drive quiz. Nalo futhi eli second hand.
Sorry.
Hayi.
What's this?
Ayikho intombizela yona but ahamba namoto yami lo. What's the space? She's not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere in my car. I'm telling you.